My name is Ahmed Kazim, and this is Crypto 101, the home of value and good information when it comes to cryptocurrency trading and investment in general. Today is the 4th of January 2024, and we're going to be taking a look at what is going on in the market and also to talk about possibility where the price of the coin might be going for the next couple of days or couple of weeks. So you do not want to miss whatever that will be coming on this channel. If you've not subscribed, you might want to do that right now, and you can check out the previous videos to get things that are going down in the market. All right, what is going on right now? The market is full of greed, and whenever the market is full of greed, first thing you need to know is if you have so much portfolio that is at buy, you might want to be considering of at least taking profit gradually, because when the market gets to extremely greed, definitely we're going to see the market come back to fear or extreme fear, and that's what the market sentiment has always been. If you check the last bull run and possibly this blue run, it's still going to be the same thing. But right now I just want to let you know the market is extremely, no, not extremely greed right now, but it's still greed. Okay, so what are we going to do today? We're going to move to check what's really going on in the market. The market cap is been dropping from 1.8 billion, or excuse me, 1.8 trillion US dollars down to 1.8 billion US dollars. With the crash we saw the other day, we can see it right here. We saw this massive crash yesterday that brought the market down to 40,300 thereabout, and now we're seeing a kind of rally around. If you watch my video yesterday, I told you we're gonna see the market moving around this zone for some time before we're gonna see a push up, or is that I will break this point or will break this point. But we're gonna talk about that shortly, so you do not want to miss anything on the show. All right, my name is Ahmed Kazim, KC the Great, and this is Crypto 101, the home of value and good information when it comes to cryptocurrency, trading, and investment in general. If you have not subscribed to the channel, I think you're doing something wrong. It costs you nothing. You can hit the subscribe button right here, like and share, and do not forget to turn on your notification bell so you can be part of the greatness that is happening on this platform. So now what are we going to be looking at today? We're going to be checking the economic calendar first of all to know what is really happening in the market and what we should be expecting. Yesterday I think we have some news that came around, but not that important. But today we're going to be okay. We have FOMC minutes yesterday, just a meeting to know probably what Jerry Powell is going to talk about. What he says, they've slowed down the hike. Possibly we might not experience the hike again, but they don't have calendar on how they're going to move forward yet. So that's what we got from Jeremy Powell yesterday. But today, what are we expecting? We're going to be seeing the ADP non-farm employment change coming up today, and also we're going to be seeing unemployment claim coming up today. So you might want to look out for that when it comes to the fundamental and all of that happening in the market. So let's go to the chart now and see what the chart is really saying. So right now we have you can see I'm in a live trade. I have a buy on because I believe the market is still going to push ahead, and we're going to see that. And if you watch my video, I told you we're going to have a 4 year, yes, a 4 around this point when the market created lower low, lower high, lower low, lower. I knew we're going to have a 4, and I was thinking it's going to get to around 42k, but now deep down to 40,000. So if you take the trade with me, I believe you made some cool cash. So what are we expecting right now in the market? Let me zoom in where we are right now. This is where we are now, and we can see you can see I'm even on the live trade that I opened down, and I was in profit before I started recording, but I think it dropped down, but I'm expecting it to go up a little bit. So what are we expecting right now? This is what I'm expecting to see in the market. We have the spike playing out. You understand? We have the spike playing out already, although we have the structure already. The white horizontal lines represent my structures. You understand? Shows that we have a structure map for probably continuation of the movement, and we're going to see the market rally But now this is what I normally consider. We have the spike. This is 1, 2, 3, 4. Then we have a breakout, and whenever we have a breakout, if this continue to move ahead, whenever it stops, we need to wait for 0.6 18 Fibonacci for us to get into the market. But the reason why I take a buy is because we have a buy on the lower time frame, and if you want to always get a signal for that, you might want to join my telegrams, my Discord channel, and all of those, and the links are down in the description, so you can get all the signals I'll be dropping right then. Possibly join the community where you can get free education and all of that when the time comes. So what are we expecting around there now? We already have our 1, 2, 3, 4, and then we're breaking out now. I expect this thing to continue moving upward until we're gonna see a reversal, and wherever I stop, the reversal has to come down back to 0.618 Fibonacci. But you might not understand that now. What I just have right now that I'm recording the video is I believe we have a buy, and where is my possible take profit in the nearest future is going to be around 44,700 and above, or possibly we're going to see it go again, come and retest 0.618, then continue to shoot up. And if you look at other asset classes too, I think they're going to have the same format with BTC, because you know BTC is the king. So that's what I want to show you on the show today, that we already have a buy moving upward. But if you're watching the show late, you might just want to watch my live trading, or my live, or the chart analysis I'll record later in the day before the New York session, so you can still get the trade on. But for you not to miss that, you just need to subscribe to the channel, like and share, and do not forget to turn on the notification bell so you don't miss any of what I'll be dropping on this channel. So right now, is BTC a buy right now? Yes, we now have a buy activated now under the substructure, but in the higher time frame is not a buy yet, because we are still inside the structure. The structure is this 43,600 down to 41,712. So you must take a look at that. But the moment we break above that zone, if we can break above 43,600 right now, that means we have a proper structure. But even though we don't have a proper structure, we can use the substructure, using the, what will I call it, the spikes, to know where the market is going to right now. So what I'm expecting the market to do again, as I'm saying, is for the market to push upwards. And if it's not going to push upward, we already have a breakout. I'm expecting the market to come down and test this zone. So where is my stop loss? My stop loss is going to be around 42,700, you understand, or around, no, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, then we break out. So my stop loss is going to be around 42,600. That's what I'll be looking at to see if the market, even though the market is pulling back, but I use lower time frame to trade this volatile market. So if you want to get a piece of that and know when and how I'm getting to the market, you might want to subscribe to all the channel. The links are down in the description. So that's what I have for you on the chart today. Let's now go to the news and see what we have in the market. We can see Bitcoin ETF could soon be approved, and that is possible. We can see that's why the craziness, the volatility we see in the market has been happening. Also, we have Bitcoin plunges to 42,000 in a flash crash. Yes, we also saw that happen. EU regulators to probe contagious risks posed by non-banks, including crypto groups. So those are news. If you want to read more, you can check the crypto to know what is going on in the market. Also, Michael Saylor sold, or they say selling, about 216 million US dollars in MicroStrategy stocks option to buy more Bitcoin. We know Michael Saylor has been accumulating a lot of Bitcoin when the market was even down as low as 15,000 US dollar to one Bitcoin. So let's check more news around this point. We can see the same Michael Saylor news is making the headlines, like where Ripple price skyrocket. Will Ripple price skyrocket in 2024? XRP has been down for some times now, and we don't know. At first, they were saying it's the what will I call it, SEC case and all of that was disturbing him. But the SEC case, whatever, is over, but yet XRP has not still moved the way people expected it, but it has moved, but not just the way people expected. We can see another news here. Chinese official tackles rising crypto corruption and call for enhanced legal measures. I've told you, if you've been following my signal or watching my show, I told you there's possibility we're going to be having regulation anytime soon, with BlackRock coming into the game and some other investment companies coming into the game. So we should be expecting that. And when we have that, yes, it's going to be more volume to the crypto space, but we might not see this volatility and all of that crazy move any longer. So you need to learn how to trade. And how do you learn how to trade? Is by subscribing to a channel and getting to understand when we're sharing or when we're giving out the free education that will be launching this year, so you don't miss that. All right, let's check one more news source before we get out of the market. We can see right here we have this Goldman Sachs high Bitcoin ETF role via BlackRock and Grayscale subsidy. We can even see Goldman Sachs, one of the biggest banks in the United States, are now eyeing the ETF. So I believe the ETF is not if it's going to be approved, it's only when it's going to be approved. And people are looking to the window period between January 5th to January 10th. So we're going to see if that's going to happen. Now, what monies do we have? We have what caused Bitcoin crash. You can read about that. The protocol is Solana rebound. The real thing, you need to check Solana out. We all know Solana has been doing crazy movement, and you don't not want to miss on that. Goldman Sachs ETF, I've already talked about how stable coins can help fix the current lending market. You can read about that. USDC stable coin monetarily, the pegs to 0.74 on Binance. You guys might want to check that out as well. And we can see American Bitcoins strong start to January, May 4th. So you can read a lot of news out on this platform also if you want to get to know what is going on. And also, if you want to tell me what we need to share about, you might want to, I told you we could see this thing coming down to this point, but I still believe we're going to push up before it comes down to that point. If you know any coins you want me to talk about, tokens, you might leave the comment down in the description to tell me what crypto or what asset or what project you want me to analyze for you, so you guys can make the right decision when it comes to trading or when it comes to investment, because that is what crypto be 101, the home of value and good information when it comes to trading and investment in general is all about. All right, that's what I've got to share with you on the show today, and this is Bitcoin and Breakfast Show. And please subscribe, like, and share, and do not forget to turn on the notification bell so you do not miss anything I'll be dropping on this show. Until I catch you in the afternoon when I'll be dropping exclusive chart analysis, and later at night when I'll be dropping news updates and breaking news on what is going on in the market. And guys, don't worry, my live trading show is going to be starting anytime soon, and you do not want to miss that. So hit the subscribe button right now so you do not miss out. All right, I still remain myself, Ahmed Oladimeji Kazim, aka the KC the Great, and this is Crypto 101, the home of value and good information when it comes to cryptocurrency trading and investment in general. Don't forget, the market is crazy right now. It's full of greed, and you need to be careful so you do not get caught when the market is shorting. But I believe we have a down already. We should see a pull up back, and you can check the chart analysis to see what I discuss about that. All right, catch you on the next video. Peace.